My morning is not so good today because our topic for today is all about how to save a rotting cactus. Not to mention, she's one of my favorite. Oh, you poor thing. Few months ago when I did my DIY succulent pots or ledge or whatever you want to call it. But today is the day that I'm going to split my cereus into half because she's rotting. But it's never too late though, so I can still do something about this. And it's just too bad because she's one of my favorite, and I always mention that. I think this is the third time that I say that. Look at her, she's melting down. So far most of them are doing great and they've gone bigger. So if you see my previous video when I did this pots for them, this ledge for them, they used to be so tiny, but now they've gone bigger. However, we're going to focus with this one. And look at this Eve spin. She's so pretty and healthy. Oh, this mama. But now, look at the cactus, guys. The other one got elongated. It's like oval shape, but so far she's doing great. But my favorite, oh, look at this Gollum Jade and this Haworthia. So it loves water and sunlight, of course, and it has gone bigger. But this one is the main problem for today. She's melting down. Because this past few weeks, it's been raining consistently. It's been pouring hard and it gets stuck on the pots. The water gets stuck on the pots. Although I'm using gritty type of cactus soil mix. But then again, she did not escape the curse. She rots and I need to save her before it's too late. It's just so frustrating to see her like this because she's one of my favorite among my cactus collection, the variegated cereus. And this one is also variegated, and I suspect she also have a problem, but not as serious as the cereus. Look at the Mickey Mouse, this kabuto cactus, and oh, okay, now let's focus on her. Oh, so watery. Once again, every time I chopped off a plant, whatever it is, whether it's succulent, cactus, or my leafy plants, I always practice to dash cinnamon on it. Or if you don't have cinnamon, you can use cornstarch or turmeric powder to avoid fungal issues. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this video helps. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, like, share, subscribe, and feel free to comment down below. I would love to hear from you about your gardening journey. See you on my next video. Have a great day, guys. Bye.